Back, lawn amateurs. So today we're gonna apply that first dose of Milorganite to this lawn here. As you can see, the lawn is not looking too bad. You got those dead spots, those brown spots. That's why if you're just tuning into my channel, those were nutsedge and crabgrass that actually started to sprout up in inside this lawn. I actually just recently did this lawn. It's summertime. I was kind of experimenting here, and for the conditions and everything, I think the lawn came out pretty good, especially on this side. This is side number 2. So I haven't fed it with any Milorganite yet, only starter fertilizer. So this is gonna be the first dose of Milorganite here. I actually got the old formula of Milorganite, the 540. I got a half a bag, well, not even a half a bag, maybe a quarter of a bag of the new formula that I actually was using at last year. So I still got that bag, so I'm gonna mix it all in together, and I'm just gonna feed this lawn. That's my whole setup over there. That's my spreader. That's my hand spreader. I love that thing right there. It works perfectly for these small areas. Both of my come on, focus. Both of my sides here, as you can see, I got hit hard over here with the crabgrass and the nutsedge here. All those brown spots are from I sprayed weeds about a week ago over here. This side number 1 got hit real hard with the weeds and crabgrass. So crabgrass, nutsedge. So those spots I'm gonna replant some seeds down, but I'm not even gonna worry about it. A lot of people, think I'm a nut job for doing a lawn renovation in the summertime. I know it's not supposed to be done, but just experimenting, seeing what works and what didn't work, so I have a better understanding. This is my first time doing an actual full lawn renovation, so I actually was doing this as an experiment. So, but now I'm just gonna continue to build onto this this grass and the soil with this Milorganite, and I'm actually gonna get it prepped up for the fall time. So I got more things to come. I just want to show you guys the lawn here. Actually, it wasn't bad for 95+ degree weather while I did this. I did all of this in 95 degree weather, so that's why it came out the way it did. I had no irrigation. I was hand watering everything, so, but it came out pretty decent. I can't complain. These are the edges here, and it's not 100% weed free because I didn't spray everything. I just sprayed some things, the major crabgrass and nutsedge, because that stuff grow in real quicker than the grass. So, and as you can see, it's still some nutsedge right there and right there. So I'll worry about that when I do my my fall treatment and stuff like that. So no big deal. And you see, still some here. But this was just a experiment, like I said. So now I'm about to spread the crabgrass. Actually, about to spread the Milorganite. Also, I had one thing I was gonna say. This side here is about 400 square feet, and my left side here is another 300 square feet. So it's like a total of 700 square feet here. So with Milorganite, you really don't need to measure anything out. So I'm just gonna pretty much do an eye test. Probably gonna fill up the spreader maybe 2 times and do 2 passovers on both sides. That should be about it. Now I would actually measure everything out if I was using a synthetic fertilizer, because the synthetic fertilizers burn. So this Milorganite stuff, really don't have to worry about it burning. Just don't really want it clumping up and forming a goop, like getting all gooey. So I'm just gonna evenly spread it out, 2 passovers, and that's about it. That should do it. I actually think I supposed to, if I'm correct, I'm supposed to put down about maybe 4 pounds over here and 5 pounds on the right side. So of Milorganite, well, any with the Milorganite fertilizer, because according to the calculations with the square feet. So let's get to work. Only thing, sometimes this thing gets stuck when you're trying to like sometimes the granules get stuck down in the holder there, and it keeps it open. So if you ever get one of these, make sure you pull the trigger a few times to unclog it. That's it. That's pretty much it. Had a little spillage right there. I'll just sweep that up, push it into the grass, but as you can see, this part of the grass here, that's still more crabgrass there, tangled up with the good grass. So I'm gonna have to take that out. I'll dig that out by hand, but this corner over here is coming in real like fine and slowly. I did this corner maybe, I want to say 3 weeks ago, and it's coming in real fine. It's like taking its time. It's still patchy, so I still got a lot of work to do coming up this fall. I'm gonna actually aerate and then overseed. I'm probably not gonna fight off the weeds and put any like a post-emergent down. Probably not gonna do that. Just gonna worry about building onto this grass, building onto the turf, and then I'll just worry about all of that in the springtime. But as you can see, this is it. This side took a hard hit to that summer weather we had, and I wasn't able to get out here and cut it. We had like weeks of rain, so everything just helped the weeds develop and just come in and destroy the grass. So as you can see, this part of the grass is nice over here. You got some spots over here, and that's where the more crabgrass was at right there. You see it's more like that clump right there. So I'm gonna dig that out by hand. Dig this part out by hand also. This side took a hit, but I did this just to experiment, because I got a bigger bigger news coming up. So if you're interested in that, like, comment, and subscribe, and just be patient. That's coming up soon. Take care.